Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, steamed crab with beer and lemongrass, a perfect choice to enhance the flavor and appeal of traditional steamed crab. The aroma of lemongrass combined with the light yeast flavor of beer will make the crab meat sweeter, more fragrant, and extremely effective in removing the fishy smell. How to make prepare ingredients. Fresh sea crab, 1.5 kilograms, about 4 crabs. Fresh lemongrass, 10 roots. 1 small ginger root. 1 can of beer. Fresh chili, optional 1 to 2 fruits. Salt, sugar, lemon, optional. Steps by crab. Trim the crab, keep it whole and wash it. Use a brush to thoroughly scrub the shell, claws and apron under strong running water. Lemongrass, wash, crush half of it and cut it into 7 centimeters long pieces. Ginger, peel and slice thinly. Make the sauce salt, pepper, lemon, and chili. Mix 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 chopped fresh chilies, then squeeze 1 fresh lemon into it and stir well. Place the steamer on the pot. Spread the crushed lemongrass and sliced ginger evenly on the steamer rack. Pour 1 can of beer into the water at the bottom of the steamer. Place the crab on top of the lemongrass and ginger layer. Spread the thinly sliced lemongrass and sliced chili evenly on the crab. Cover tightly. Turn on high heat to boil the water. Then lower the heat to medium and steam for about 18 minutes until the crab turns a beautiful orange-red color and gives off a strong aroma, meaning the crab is cooked. Presentation and enjoy. Pick up the crab and place it on a large plate. Serve with the dipping sauce, salt, pepper, lemon, and chili. You can arrange the steamed lemongrass and ginger around it to decorate. Enjoy. Serve immediately while the crab is still hot. The steamed crab with beer, lemongrass, and chili will be best when dipped in salt, pepper, lemon, and chili. Firm, naturally sweet crab meat combined with the fragrant lemongrass beer scent will be very attractive. Things to note: freshness of crab. This is the deciding factor in the dish. The crab must be fresh to have sweet and fragrant meat. You should choose crabs with hard shells and bright colors. You should turn the crab belly down when steaming to retain the crab fat and sweet juice from flowing out. Steaming time. Do not steam for too long. Steaming for more than 20 minutes, for large crabs, can cause the crab meat to dry or become mushy. 15 to 20 minutes is enough for the crab to cook thoroughly and retain its sweetness. Beer. No need to use expensive beer. Regular light beers, lager, are suitable. Only pour beer into the steaming water. Do not pour directly onto the crab. Crab hygiene. You must thoroughly scrub the crevices and shells of the crab because this is where a lot of mud and bacteria accumulate. Side dishes. You can steam a few lemongrass stalks and whole ginger to eat with, both enhancing the flavor and helping to warm the stomach. Steamed crab with beer and lemongrass is a delicious, simple seafood dish that brings a sophisticated culinary experience. The special thing about this dish is the presence of beer in the steaming water, which makes the crab meat softer, sweeter, and creates a characteristic warm aroma combined with essential oils from lemongrass and ginger to completely remove the fishy smell. This dish is very suitable for family gatherings or parties, often served with lemon pepper salt or spicy seafood dipping sauce. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is useful, and don't forget to click subscribe to watch the next delicious dishes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.